How often do you find yourself waiting for the perfect time to be happy? Waiting for that race, the dream job, or when life finally calms down. Here is the truth: happiness is not a destination, it's a journey, it's an ongoing journey. But right now, you might feel stuck, drained by the daily grind, unfulfilled, despite your best efforts, and wondering if there is more to life than just surviving. The good news: you don't have to wait. Here are the three steps to take back control. Number one, shift your mindset. Start seeing challenges as opportunities for growth. Number two, identify your core values. Align your actions with what truly matters. Number three, take intentional action. Small, consistent steps toward your dreams make all the difference. If this resonates with you, I invite you to my free webinar, Unlock Your Purpose, Unleash Your Destiny. Together, we will uncover the clarity and confidence you need to create in your life. Purpose driven life. Don't wait. Your breakthrough starts now. See you inside. Thank you.